Welcome back to the Auto Vibe. Today, we're stepping into a world where ultimate automotive luxury meets the freedom of travel. Rolls-Royce has taken the boldest leap in its history with the unveiling of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just move you from place to place, but redefines what it means to live and travel in pure elegance. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace on wheels. Let's begin with the exterior. From the very first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands absolute attention. Draped in a stunning light golden finish, the bodywork is sculpted with the same grace you'd expect from a Phantom or a Cullinan, but expanded into a grand futuristic touring machine. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, crowned with the spirit of ecstasy, reminding you that this is unmistakably a Rolls-Royce. Massive six-spoke alloy wheels with gold accents anchor its presence, while sleek flowing body lines and an uninterrupted panoramic glass canopy give it a futuristic, yacht-like appearance. Parked in a pristine showroom, it looks more like a piece of modern architecture than a vehicle. Every angle designed to radiate power, prestige, and sophistication. Step inside, and the sense of luxury only deepens. The driver's cabin sits high above the ground, offering a commanding view through a wide panoramic windshield. Here, Rolls-Royce has blended practicality with pure indulgence. The captain's chairs are crafted from ivory white leather with golden diamond stitching, reclining like seats in a private jet. Polished wood veneers and piano black panels flow across the dashboard, while a wide digital cockpit provides every bit of information with Rolls-Royce refinement. This is not just a place to drive, it's a throne above the road. Moving further inside, the living space transforms into what feels like a rolling penthouse. The bedroom offers a king-size bed dressed in silk and golden accents, with ambient lighting that sets a calming tone. The bathroom, meanwhile, is a spa-like sanctuary, lined with golden marble and white onyx, complete with a rain shower and freestanding crystal bathtub. Even the kitchen redefines luxury on the road, with seamless golden cabinetry, white marble countertops, and hidden high-tech appliances that appear only when needed. Every inch of the interior is handcrafted, blending Rolls-Royce's traditional opulence with futuristic motorhome practicality. When it comes to performance, Rolls-Royce hasn't compromised. Under the sculpted body, the motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, delivering both silent cruising and commanding power when demanded. The advanced suspension system ensures the legendary Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet ride, even on long journeys across uneven terrain. Despite its size, the vehicle glides effortlessly, reminding you that this is still very much a Rolls-Royce at heart. Now, the big question, what does all of this cost? Rolls-Royce has positioned the 2026 motorhome as the pinnacle of luxury travel, and the price reflects that ambition. Starting at around $2.5 million, with customization options that can take it well past $3 million. This is a motorhome reserved for the very few who demand nothing less than the best. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of how far luxury travel can be taken, combining the freedom of the open road with the elegance of a five-star resort. For those who can afford it, this is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Thank you for watching the Auto Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet.